In order to improve scapular mobility, patient on the sideline position, place a pillow between the therapist and the patient. Right hand palpate the inferior angle of scapula. Make a web space and grasp inferior angle of scapula. Left hand over the top of the scapula, spine of scapula. Then elevate it, depress, adduction, abduction, inward rotation, outward rotation, elevation, depression, adduction, abduction, inward rotation, outward rotation.